We appreciate it. You know, the ways to revamp your smile just keep getting better and better, and so will your spirits too when you get that smile of your dreams. Here to talk more about a new development that's been a part of your organization for a while. We're talking with Dr. John Heimke joining us right now from, of course, Oral Design Cleveland. But Doctor, we're talking about digital smile design.
Correct.
And the world of technology and how it makes a better smile so much easier. All the work falls on you, though. Yeah.
But it does make it a bit easier.
Right.
But basically what we're doing is we're digitizing the smile, and we're making a digital blueprint of the shapes of the teeth and the style of the teeth that we want built to that particular patient's face.
Right.
And then we're using a technology called 3D facial scans, RAYface, which basically creates a 3D person.
Okay, so in other words, we don't have to wait until the finished product to actually see what it's going to look like, and you, along the journey, know exactly how it's all falling into place.
Exactly, and yeah. I'm able to share, you know, the possibility of that new smile with the patient with the digital smile design. But then the laboratory can create the 3D version, the actual version, by using a digital avatar of a person. And then this is the RAYface, where it's using 6 cameras, and it's taking the pictures of the patient and is creating a 3D patient. And then we use a scanner, the Medit I700 intraoral scanner. It's basically a camera. So you remember the molds you would get of our teeth? They're like gooey and rubbery.
Makes you gag.
Yeah, so now we use a camera, so we don't have to put the molds in.
Oh, that's great.
And it's making a digital mold, and it puts it right into the face.
Very good. So this is, you're looking at everything here, and so obviously as a patient, we're seeing everything as well, and there is no more guesswork. There's no surprises. The only surprise is that, you know what, at the very end of it, it's going to be exactly the way it looked.
Exactly. It's calibrated, and we're able to test it in the patient's mouth. And then from there, we can finish it up, the laboratory technician. This is my digital smile center at my oral design studio in Rocky River. So we have our scanner, intraoral scanner, the Medit scanner, and then we have the RAYface to the right. So basically we have this whole package. Then I can send it all to the laboratory, and they can use their digital design softwares, basically CAD softwares, to actually create the teeth.
So is this artificial intelligence that you're utilizing here in a great way?
Yes, we're really going full bore with artificial intelligence, just like you see it everywhere else in the world.
Right.
But now it's coming in the dentistry. Look at this, how we're scanning the teeth. This is a camera. There's no molds with a gooey rubber. We use some of it sometimes, but now we're really trying hard to push to go to these scanners.
So these scanners, after you scan that, and I imagine that's just a few seconds to actually do that.
Yeah, it takes about a minute.
Okay, so you do that. It goes off to the designer to actually build the actual physical teeth.
Right.
And then they go in.
Yes.
All right.
So what we're doing is we're actually cutting treatment time down by about 1/3.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
And again, more than anything, there's no surprises. And you can celebrate those the minute you sit in the chair. You can go, this is what exactly it's going to look like.
Yeah, so it's the vision that's in my head gets transferred to the oral design technician, and then they're going to transfer it to the actual 3D teeth, the actual porcelain veneers or the dental implants.
Right. Now, I will say this, with all the technology, the human touch, the artistry that you possess is still so important.
Oh yes, we have to finish it off that way. I finish it off, and the oral design master ceramist finishes it off with the handwork. But the thing is we do the stuff that's kind of laborious with the digital, and then we finish it with the hand touch. So you're still getting that Picasso Cezanne effect.
And the artist himself is waiting for you.
And then it goes from there. Yes,
yes, very good, Dr. Heimke. All right. Well, for more information, Oral Design Cleveland, it's as simple as going to, well, Center Ridge Road, Suite 302 in Rocky River. It's beautiful. At 888-255-3588. Everyone loves my smile.com and dentalimplantsrockyriver.com. Doctor, thank you so much for what you do.
It's always a pleasure.
I always love having you here. All right, we'll take a quick break. We'll be back. More Good Company. Stay with us.
This segment of Good Company was sponsored by Oral Design Cleveland.